Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from Spectre Comics. Today we're at Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World. We're going to be building a droid at the Droid Depot. A couple years ago I did a video like this where we built a lightsaber at Disneyland at Savi's workshop. So I'm going to take you along, similar to that video, along for the process, and let's go ahead and get inside the park. Okay, so I'm about 10 minutes away from my time slot to build my droid. We're standing outside the Droid Depot. It's a very hot day today in Florida. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm actually not sure how the process works. So once I go in, Carol's gonna film and we'll walk through the process of making and building a droid. So it's very loud in here with all the people and the droid noises, so I decided to do this as a voiceover. Now the nice lady here signed me in and then explained to me the different droid options. Now there's the R units, which are like R2-D2, there's the BB units, which are like BB-8, and then there's the C units like Chopper. I think I'm going to go with an R unit. The next thing they have you do is go to the register, select which droid option you want, and pay. They also try to upsell you on a personality trip, which gives the droid different sounds and a different personality, and also a backpack so you can carry your droid around the park. I opted to go for the R2 unit and a personality chip, but not the backpack. The droid was $120, and the chip was an extra $15. And our unit? Okay, good. So these are the blueprints of what we're going to build. Now at my station, I have to select all my droid parts off this conveyor belt. I selected a clear dome and a red body. That's cool. To pick a head, a body. I need one of these. Here, I got black and white. So here's all of our pieces. Translucent blue dome, blue center wheel, red body, and black legs. I titled this video, "So This Happened Again at Droid Depot." Now what I'm referring to is that when I built a lightsaber 2 years ago at Savi's workshop in Disneyland, the person presenting the process and speaking to all of us aspiring Jedi was wearing a mask. Now I have no problem. If people want to wear a mask, you can wear a mask. But you couldn't hear anything she said when she spoke. And there it kind of ruined my video. I was only planning on building one lightsaber in my life. I wanted to film a video of it, and you could barely hear what she was saying. Now it's been over 2 years since mask mandates have been lifted, and here in 2024 in Disney World, I get the only person in Droid Depot wearing a mask to explain to me how to build my droid and ruin my video. Now, I have to admit, I could hear this person a little better than the person at Savi's workshop, but there was some of the instructions that were a little muffled and hard to hear.
Okay, that little crease that should match the hole in the bottom. Excellent. While you're down there, the little silver tab, that is your on-off switch. Up is on, down is going to be off. And keep your dome. Same thing, line up that dent of the head, push it down and turn it to a snapshot. Excellent. There we go. Nice. All right. And the last part, we get to decorate. Choose which color of these, mix or match. They're going to go on the sides of his legs. Blue. You snap on there, and you do the same thing, but here you pick out the colors you want. You snap on the color.
My droid building instructor also let me know that you can buy extra accessories for the R2 unit. You can buy either lasers or jet packs that attach to his legs. They're also activated by the controller. There's an extra button on the controller that activates and lights up these extra accessories. So I may go back in the future and purchase them.
You like the way he looks? Yeah. All right, we're going to put him in the box and we're going to activate him. Check him out. I'm going to show you real close. First thing we do, we got to adjust his leg, otherwise it just falls over. 1, 2, 3. We'll go there. On his rectangle button, rotate that head corner. Square button, rotate the bottom. Bottom circle, lights and sounds, you know. Top circle, extra feature. Look out the little window? Yeah.
Thank you.
Kind of loosen the box.
After droid activation and packing him up, I'm headed to the back wall to select the personality chip that I purchased at the register. Now there are 3 classifications of chip: First Order, Resistance, and Scoundrel, and each of those classifications has multiple options. I chose one of the 3 Scoundrel options for my droid.
Okay, so I just finished building my droid. I bought a personality chip, $15 extra. And then you basically slip it into the droid and it gives personality to the droid and gives them different sounds. There's a lot of different options. I chose Scoundrel. There's 3 different options. I don't even know if they have names. But so we're going to put this in later and then we'll film. I also bought another kyber crystal for my lightsaber. So I bought a blue one this time. So over time I'll collect all the different colors of kyber crystals. So I've got blue, purple, and red. So this is the blue one today, personality chip. And we're probably going to go back and drop this off at the hotel. And then we'll be back at the park.
Okay, just got back from Disneyworld. Haven't really opened the box on this droid since the day I built it, so we're gonna unpack it and take it for test spin. We'll try out the new personality chip that I got and see what happens. Okay, so here's my R2 unit. Now it came with this remote control. When you hit this button here, it makes the droid make sounds. Now the default sound is just regular R2-D2 sounds. I did buy this personality chip, and this here, when you insert this into the droid, it makes it change sounds to a different personality, so it sounds like a different droid. Now, obviously, I built a droid that's not exactly R2. It's the same configuration, but different colors, obviously. Now, when you hit this button, it turns the head. When you hit this button, it turns, and when you hit these buttons, it goes forward and backwards. I'm not going to do it here because I'm on the table and I don't want him to fall off onto the floor. But we're going to put the personality chip in and see what new sounds he makes. Okay, so I put the personality chip in. Let's try the different sounds that he makes. Interesting. So that's it. Okay, thank you for joining me at the Droid Depot while I built my R2 unit. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions on the process of how to build a droid, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. And if you want to see the video where I built a lightsaber a couple years ago at Savi's workshop, click over here. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.